Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, so today is Sunday, August 27th. Let's get to some very interesting articles. As we keep saying, Japan has been beating the G7 peers. Domestic demand fuels the GDP. So as a result, uh, the Japanese stock markets have been doing fairly well. The headline that caught my attention that started this was that the inflation rate target has not been reached a lot under the guise of Kuroda and the Bank of Japan. But yet, as I dug deeper, we were getting some pretty good numbers out of Japan, which has been really sparking the markets in Japan. I've been saying it now for about a few days. So another article that came along was the Trump economy is a gilded mediocrity. Uh, they have not fully recovered from the last recession. Here's some charts we can go through um, per capita GDP, long run trend, not good. Low unemployment is largely a product of sharp decline in number of prime age workers looking for employment. Change in unemployment population. And then we get into the debt. The record level of debt for Americans is so high, and especially for the middle class, where they're eating into their own savings to maintain their mid middle income lifestyle. And that is Americans owe far less on their credit cards these days, with a greater percentage of household debt towards safer auto and student loans. Um, so they are indebted, it has come down, but it is still a problem. Now, this one's a really shocker to me. Super rich are hoarding damn near all economic growth. Look at that. 80 to 2014 for the top 10, sorry, the 0.001%. Again, I'll let you go through these charts. But now the very affluent 99.999% percentile have the largest income growth. Just incredible. Average wealth by wealth group over, I think that's $15 million net worth. Incredible. If we work hard, hopefully we may get into that level, but there you go, breakdown. Another area that's quite interesting, this was from a week ago, or close to a week ago. Lackluster holdback market. Now, this is in Australia. The opened in the red, okay? Then you got the US stock failed to bounce, but check out what's been going on with iron ore futures. Let me just find it here. The number was quite eye-popping on the futures. Just give me a second here. Here you go. Spot iron ore leapt 6% on Friday, so 9 days ago. On both the Singapore futures market, were up 3%. So when you watch these sort of things on the commodities area, I would like to remind everybody that the Goldman Sachs has rebuilt their commodities desk and reactivating it, which means there's probably going to be some growth in commodities. And I think obviously that's the next area of growth outside of global stock markets. Namely, we've been watching the Asian, Hong Kong, and Japan have been doing really good. So there you go. Another more proof in the pot. And the East is where the exciting areas are for growth. Later.